Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com. Hello students, and especially to you, Darman, who is becoming vegan. I'm so proud of you. I know you're getting your clicks. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Got to get the message in your head. Got to get the message in your heart. But you are here, so you know where to start. But first, check this out. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. We can talk about vegan food another time, but first, I want to introduce you to this gentleman. His name is Gary L. Francione, and the reason that I want to introduce you to him is because he had a big impact on me. I thought his speeches were really good. This particular one, it's only 2 minutes long. I think you have the time to listen. I really want you to know that he exists, and I want you to watch more of him and follow him on Twitter and so on. Okay? Look, let's listen. Oh, he made this speech in 2017, but he said on Twitter it would still apply today, 5 years later. So it's all the same. Nothing's changed.
Hi everybody, Gary Francione for the Abolitionist Approach. Happy New Year. If you're not vegan, why don't you make 2017 the year when you make your moral beliefs align with your actions? Look, animals are either things or they're not. If you believe they are things, that they're commodities, that they're resources that exist for human use, then you're probably not watching this video. If, however, you don't believe that, if you think that animals matter morally, which is probably why you are watching this video, then recognize that when we eat animals, when we wear them, when we use them, we are treating them as resources, as things without moral value, irrespective of what we say. So it's really not difficult. It's really quite simple to understand. If animals matter morally, if they are not things, then we cannot justify eating them, wearing them, using them. If we believe they're not things, if we believe they have moral value, we have a moral obligation, a moral imperative to go vegan. And, don't listen to this welfarist nonsense that you can take baby steps and that it's a matter of your journey. All of that narcissistic nonsense is about making humans feel more comfortable about consuming animals, about exploiting animals. If animals matter, we have an obligation right now to stop exploiting them. Now, going vegan is very, very easy. We have a website, howdoigovegan.com. We give you all of the information that you need, and we'll even provide mentoring for you if you'd like that. So please, for the sake of the animals and for the sake of your own moral integrity, stop exploiting non-human animals and go vegan. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a very, very good 2017.
And here I am pointing at the year that I became vegan. Which year did you become vegan? Are you ready? Let me know in the comments below. Gary L. Francione. I've never talked to him in person yet, but I would really like to meet him. I would like to interview him here on this channel. If anybody knows him, please put him in contact with me. And Darman, I'm really looking forward to you making some videos in the future where you have vegan actors on the show. I want some of your characters to be vegan. Some of the students in your videos should be vegan. For those of you who don't know who Darman is, he is a man who has his own channel here. I don't know how many followers now, over 10 million. And he does all these little videos with a lot of great morals in them. But the only thing that's missing is that he doesn't talk about something like veganphobia enough. Veganphobia is something that's real. It's real and it's wrong. And it happens when people are cruel on purpose to animal defenders. So we need his audience to know not to be prejudiced and instead to be vegan fantastic, which means that you're not necessarily vegan yet, but you are at least a vegan supporter. You are someone who is kind to vegans and not acting in a prejudicial way towards them. So here are some examples that you could use when you're making your videos to talk about veganphobia at school. So one episode could be about a veganphobic bully at school who waves bacon in the face of a vegan girl or slips it into her sandwich when she turns her back to deliberately try to make her cry. So veganphobic people are deliberately cruel to animal defenders. Another example could be a veganphobic dad at home who threatens to harm his vegan son or kick him out if he doesn't eat meat, eggs, or drink cow's milk. And I know this might sound drastic to people, but I've actually had students tell me that if they wanted to be vegan, that is what their father said that they would do, or our mother as well. So this is something to be taken very seriously. Another episode could be about a vegan-phobic school principal who tells a vegan teacher that she must accept non-vegan gifts when it goes against her core values of not accepting meat, eggs, milk, or fur, for example, which is actually what happened to me when I was a teacher in the school system. I had a vegan-phobic principal, and that is what he asked me to do. Number 4 would be a vegan-phobic boss at work. That kind of person excludes the ethical vegan employee from company functions by choosing non-vegan restaurants or catering services, and basically just makes the vegan person feel like an outsider instead of included. Darman, I want to thank you for listening to this message, or if you happen to not be listening for this time, I'd like everyone to tag him to make sure that Darman knows that Gary Francione is a great person to follow. His ethics are sound, and if you want to talk to me some more, even Darman, if you would like me to be an actor in one of your shows, I can play myself, that vegan teacher, or I can even play a meat eater if you want. I don't care. I just want to make sure that the subject of veganism is on the table and that dead animals are not. Thanks for following, everyone. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe. See the button below, the subscribe button. Press the subscribe button. And beside it, you see a little bell? Press the notification bell. That way, you and me can help get all these animals out of hell. Thank you so much. Coming up on screen are a bunch of other videos. Be curious. Look around. There's some about Darman. There are some about Mr. Beast. There are some about PewDiePie. There are some about Call Me Chris, SS Sniper Wolf, Dr. Mike, you name it. Anybody who is famous and on over here on YouTube who will engage with me, I will try to contact them, because if I can manage to get them to become vegan, then what will follow is their audience will become vegan too, as they start to promote different amazing vegan products. Veganism is not about you and me. It's not about health. It's not even about the planet. It is about doing the least harm to animals. If animals matter morally, if you don't consider them to be the same as a shirt, a pair of glasses, or a table, then it is our absolute responsibility to save them. Thanks for being here. Bye for now, everyone. Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat. We're experiment on or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat. We're experiment on or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Be vegan with me. Open your heart. You know where to start. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.